top.
Hi, baby.
That's like.
Okay,
like
Carly, sing.
Round, lower.
I
just go to all. I go to all.
Hey,
My dad's a running finisher.
you
Where do you go to all? All right there?
all of the other reindeer used to call it hello. They left for Rudolph, joining the reindeer game. One frosty Christmas Eve, Santa went to sing. Which outfit your nose so bright? Won't you come my sleigh tonight? All of the other reindeer used to call his name. Poor Rudolph, joining the reindeer game.
Yay!
Mommy.
Hey, Carly, okay. All I want for Christmas. Sing that one.
All I want for Christmas are my fruit fronties. My fruit fronties.
You just
My
press the
fruit
piece.
fronties. And the only way to my fruit fronties. My fruit fronties. My fruit fronties. My fruit fronties. And the only way to my fruit fronties. My fruit fronties. My fruit fronties.
People's
And
bottom.
the only way to my fruit fronties.
Good. Good job.
You
Put
want-
Hunter's antlers on.
What if I created a finisher? Where is it?
But what
Did
if
you already create
when I
one?
say
Yeah.
I
Go
want
B.
candy?
Go B.
Wait, look, he's singing
Okay,
something.
B again. And go to creative finishers.
Ah, there it is.
What do you want to sing now?
Destroy it.
Yep.
Let me see. Press X.
Hi,
Let me see.
No,
baby.
you'll see it.
Show me your teeth.
That's it?
Yeah, press X.
Wait.
And that's your sound.
Okay,
That's
say
it?
bye-bye.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you have the other one too. Two of them.
He said two front teeth. Sing it again. Two front teeth.
And the signatures are just like a finisher. Except
okay.
you just save it. It's two different
Move,
ones.
David. Move.
My fruit fronties. I'm the only wish to my fruit fronties. My fruit fronties. My fruit fronties. I'm the only wish to my fruit fronties. My fruit fronties. My fruit fronties. I'm the only wish to my fruit fronties.
Good.
In the morning.
Good. Hey, let's do 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed.
One fell off and
Bumped his head. Mama called the doctor.
And the mama said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Okay. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell down and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more.
Monkeys jumping on the bed.
Yay!
I'm going to say one more.
One more. What is it?
I want candy. I want candy.
No.
David's guy. Now. I want candy. I want candy. That's the guy I traded. My mom says that like
Who's
that.
that who you
Good. It's good.
Are you lying?
No.
You're lying.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.